welcome back to another video. So I've got my camera up quite high because I've got a fancy pants posh polygel kit to show you. So this is from Makartt and it's the House of Florists polygel kit, 12 colour nail extension gel kit. Look at this packaging, look, it's got this sleeve thing on it. I love this. So this is it, this is the colours. So it's a House of Florists and all the colours are names of flowers. So we've got daffodil, daisy, lily of the valley, gladiolus, rose, marigold, chrysanthemum, iris, water lily, morning glory, poinsettias and carnation. So let's get this open. What I'm going to do is rather than do a swatch video on it, because they're only small tubes, I don't fancy wasting them on big stiletto swatch sticks. So rather than do a swatch video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them all just on a bit of kitchen paper to show you all the colours. I'll do that really quickly, and I'm going to do a set of nails using the polygel. So let's get it out and have a look. Right, it's got dual forms. We'll have a look at them dual forms in a minute, shall we? Right, so these are the tubes. They're in white tubes. Like I said, they are the small 15mm tubes. So this one is chrysanthemum. Yeah, I've not even opened these and had a look yet. I'm not going to tell you all the colours again because I've just told you the colours on the front of the box. So we've got a base coat and a top coat. So they are 8mm. I like these bottles. I do, I like these bottles. So we've got a 100-180 grit file. And we've got a brush. And the brush has got Makartt on it as well. Can you see? So the brush is a nice, it's quite a short brush, but I like it. And then it's got your spatula thingy on that end. Right, shall we have a look at these dual forms? 12 sizes, 6 pieces for each size. It's got, I've never ever seen this before, ever, with dual forms. It's got 2 different styles of dual form. So these are my favourite dual forms, these. These are the ones that have got like a little lip. And they're quite flat ones, look. They've not got much of a apex on them. They've not got much of a curve. And it's got these ones as well. The curved ones. And these have got the tabs on instead of the... Wow, I've never seen that with dual forms. That's so cool. Because yeah, you get people that prefer the flat ones and people that prefer the curved ones. That is brilliant. I really, really like that. That's impressed me, that has. Right. That is so cool. I love that. Right, we're not using the dual forms today. I'm just going to do a quick polygel set on my flexi hand. So let's get these colours swatched. Well, I'm just going to do a little blob. I've got an extra bit of kitchen roll here. I'm just going to do a little blob of each colour, just so we can see them. Right, so let me get these all out. Right, so I've got them all in some sort of order. I've started with white, yellow, orange, and then we're going to pink, red, purple, blues, greens. So I'm literally just going to put a little blob of each of these colours just on my kitchen roll. So we get to see all the colours without having to swatch them all. Right, should I bring you down just a bit so you can see? Right, so we've got the white. It's just a pure white. So this one's daffodil. Oh, these look really opaque. Look at that. Right, this one's marigold. That's a nice colour as well. This one is chrysanthemum. This one looks like a bit of a nude. Yeah, that's a bit of a nude, isn't it? Right, then we've got Lily of the Valley. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, look at that, guys. A proper baby pink. That's beautiful colour. Look at that. These are really creamy and opaque. They're not jelly-like or wishy-washy. Sorry, I didn't tell you this one. This one's Gladiolus. Look at this, guys. Oh, that is such a beautiful colour. Beautiful colour, look. It's like a pastel purple. Right, this one is Rose. Oh my gosh. That one's a proper Barbie pink, that one. Look at that. These are beautiful. Right, next. This one is Poinsettias. So yeah, this is a red. Wow. Look at that. Right, then we've got Iris. This is pretty as well. It's a bit darker than that last purple. Oh, these are so nice, guys. Next is 3 more. This one looks like a blue and it's called Water Lily. Let's have a looky. Oh, that's a unique colour. It's like a bluey purple, isn't it? Looks more blue on camera. It's a bit of a purpley kind of blue. Right, this one, Morning Glory. Oh, that's definitely a blue, that one, isn't it? That's definitely a blue. Love that. Love that. Right, and last one we've got Daisy. Oh, see, that's a pretty colour as well. I'm so excited for these colours. Look at all them colours, guys. Wow. And they're all so pretty. They are all so pretty. Right. Right, I'm just going to get all these packed away. I'm going to leave out the yellow and the white. That's the colours I'm going to use. I'm just going to do a quick polygel set, but we're going to do a bumblebee design because I just recently bought some of these bumblebee nail art charms and I'm dying to use one, so we're just going to do a quick polygel set using the yellow and the white. I just want to, I've never ever used Makartt polygel. This is the first time I've ever tried Makartt polygel, so I just want to see what it's like. So let me get set up, get my flexi hand out, get some tips put in it, and then we'll get these bumblebee nails done. Right, so I'm all set up. Wow. Right, I've given all my nails a quick buff. I don't know why, because I'm going to give them a base coat anyway. If you was buying one of these all-in-one polygel kits to do your own nails and you are a beginner, I would advise that you go and watch a couple of videos on how to prep your nails properly. This is just a quick video just so I can see if I like the polygel or not. But yeah, I remember in the beginning when I first bought one of these polygel kits, I literally slapped it on my nails and they didn't even last a day because I didn't prep my nails or anything. So yeah, I would suggest watching a few prep videos how to prep your nails properly for polygel before you spend a full afternoon doing your nails and then they pop off. Right, I'm going to stick these in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to start with the pinky. The pinky and the middle finger are going to be yellow and the other 2 nails are going to be white. So let's get started. That's a beautiful colour, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful colour, yellow. I really like that. Right, so I'm going to get it nice and neat and quite thin, as close to the cuticle as I can get it. And then just pat and pull the rest of it down the nail. I am really not an expert at polygel. I'm getting better, but I'm really not an expert. I can only show you how I do it. Whether it's correct or not remains to be seen. Just, yeah, once I've got that cuticle area neat, I'll pat and pull it down the nail. If these were on your own nails and you was having nails this length, this area, you'd have to build it up quite thick, because that's your stress point that would snap. But as it's only on tips, I'm really not bothered about building an apex or anything today. I just want to try this Polygel out. Very nice to use and move about. It's not stiff, it's not thin. It's quite nice actually. I think I'm going to put a little bit more on, just because I've put it on a little bit thin, so it looks a bit sheer. So I might as well build that apex, hadn't I? Right, I'm going to get that cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm going to do exactly the same on the middle finger, and then we'll get these other ones done in white. Such a pretty yellow. Right, that's them all filed and buffed. Let me unlock my screen. That's them all filed and buffed. Right, I've pulled out. On the white nails, I want to do like some honeycomb. So I've got this. It's called Lemon Drizzle from Sparkle Supplies. And I'm just going to use some of the big hexes to create a bit of a honeycomb. And I've got a couple of little gold hexes that I'm going to dot about in between these yellow ones. Look, whilst I was filing these, I snapped my thumbnail, so I've had to file that off as well, so I'm not happy. Right, so on the white nails, I'll just do this one on camera, and I'll do the other one off camera. I'm just going to give them a quick base coat, and I'm going to put some of these hexagons into this wet base coat, and then I'll cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to leave that wet. I'm just going to use a little detailer brush to pick some of these up. So I'll probably speed this bit up because I'm so slow at things like this. Right, that's my honeycombs cured. So I'm going to give them quite a generous layer of top coat. Get these hexagons encapsulated because I'm going to use some builder gel and just create some honey drips. So obviously I need a flat surface to do my drips. So I'm just going to get these hexes encapsulated and get some drips done. Right guys, let's get these finished off. I'm going to leave these in matte, I like them. I'm going to do these glossy. I'm going to stick the bumblebee there. And I've got a couple of golden little gems to go on this pinky, just to match the honey. So yeah, let's get these finished. I'm going to try and edit this video down the best I can, because I've got a feeling it's going to be a long one. But sometimes you can't always edit them down to a quick 8 or 10 minute video. You just can't. But I will try my best. So I'm literally just going to put this bee into the top coat, because I'll be taking it straight back off. These tips will be going in the bin. Right, let's get these gems put on first. Just going to put 2 little gems at the top. They match that honey perfect, don't they? Right, and let's get this bee. These bees are gorgeous. Let me just show you guys. Look at that. How pretty is that? So pretty. Right, so, yeah, we'll put it that way. Or that way. That way. Right, I'm just going to cure it like that. Oh, that's such a pretty charm. I love that. Right, let's get these cured and then that will be them finished. Okay guys, that's them finished. I love that bee. I love them honeycombs actually. I really like them honeycombs. That is the whitest white polygel I have ever used. It's like melted chalk. It's just pure white. I can't wait to use some of these other colours because they're beautiful. Beautiful. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one now. Buzz off. See what I did there? Take care. Bye.